Hey there, clean freaks and tidy enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to turn mopping from a chore to a satisfying dance routine? Look no further. In our quest to find the best electric mops that'll make your floors sparkle and your heart sing, we've scoured the market, put them through the ringer, and we're here to spill the squeaky clean details. So lace up those cleaning gloves and join us as we dive into the world of best electric mops that'll have you saying, "Mop, there it is! Let's get mopping." Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Shark S1000 Steam Mop, our pick for best budget electric mop. Feast your eyes on the sleek and snazzy upgrade to Shark's trusty Steam Mop. It's like the superhero version of your average floor cleaner. Perfect for the fresh-faced homeowners diving into the world of sparkling floors, or anyone who enjoys saving a few bucks while keeping things squeaky clean. Let's talk setup because ain't nobody got time for complicated assembly instructions. With this mop, simply snap the pole and top handle into place, fill up the tank, and you're ready to roll. The water tank plays nice and is all about being removable for a hassle-free refill session at your sink. No acrobatics required. Plus, with steam on demand at the push of a button on the handle, your floors will be thanking you in no time. Oh, and storage? We've got you covered. This steamer locks upright, ensuring it stands tall and proud when not in use. And with an 18-foot cord, you'll be able to glide into every nook and cranny without breaking a sweat. As for performance, we tested the Shark Steam Mop, and it did the job just fine. But with a sprinkle of enhancements in this model, we're expecting nothing short of a cleaning wizard in action. So whether you're a cleaning pro or a newbie to the shiny floor game, this steamer is here to make your life easier and your floors happier. Number 4. Bissell Power Fresh, our pick for best steam mop. Get ready to unleash the cleaning power of the Bissell Power Fresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. This mop doesn't mess around when it comes to banishing dirt and germs. With the ability to obliterate up to 99.9% of those nasty microbes using nothing but water, it's like having a germ-fighting superhero in your cleaning arsenal. Now let's talk versatility. This steam mop isn't a one-trick pony. With 3 steam levels, low, medium, and high, it's a triple threat on all sealed hard floors. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, tile, or any other surface, this mop is ready to tackle the mess with ease. Our testing confirmed what we suspected. This mop is a beast. It heats up in a blink of an eye. Seriously, just 30 seconds. And the low setting left our wood floors gleaming while the medium and high settings decimated grime on tiles. But there's more. This mop is a dream to maneuver. With its sleek design and low-profile head, it zips around toilets, baseboards, and under furniture like a cleaning ninja. And the best part? The microfiber pads can take a beating, or a few washes, and still come out looking brand new. Still searching for the perfect electric mop? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. iRobot Braava Jet M6, our pick for best standalone robot mop. Cleaning floors is nobody's idea of a good time. That's where the iRobot Braava Jet M6 swoops in like a superhero armed with a mop. It's not just any mop. It's a mop with a plan. With its fancy technology, it sprays your floors with just the right amount of cleaning solution, dances around obstacles like a pro, and leaves your floors sparkling clean. If you've got hardwood, laminate, or tile flooring, the Braava Jet M6 is your new best friend. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a sprawling mansion, this little guy can handle it all. And if you're already a proud owner of an iRobot Roomba vacuum, well, it's like they were destined to be a dynamic duo. Team up your vacuum with the M6 and watch as they tag team to keep your floors looking spotless. Sure, the Braava Jet M6 might cost a pretty penny, but hey, can you really put a price on a clean home with minimal effort? It may not be a miracle worker for deep stains, but hey, a little elbow grease never hurt anyone, right? So go ahead, let the Braava Jet EM6 take the chore of mopping off your hands and enjoy your newfound freedom from floor cleaning duties. Number 2. Shark AI Ultra, our pick for best Splurge electric mop. Picture this, a cleaning sidekick that not only vacuums up the dirt, but also mops your floors with finesse. Enter the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, the superhero your home deserves. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. This robot marvel doesn't just stop at vacuuming. Oh no, it comes armed with not one, but two attachments ready to tackle your floor's biggest foes. There's the trusty regular vacuuming self-empty dustbin for your everyday dust-busting needs. But wait, there's more! Introducing the Vacuum and Mop 2-in-1 dustbin, complete with a water reservoir and cleaning solution reservoir. This dynamic duo allows the robot to clean up grime and gunk while simultaneously shaking it off with that mop magic. Shark didn't stop there. Oh no, they added their sonic mopping feature, ensuring your floors get that deep clean they deserve on the very first pass. No need to worry about those pesky missed spots. This robot means business. So, say goodbye to the days of vacuuming before mopping. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is here to make your cleaning routine a breeze. It's like having a cleaning fairy that works tirelessly to keep your floors sparkling. Who knew cleaning could be this fun? Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave, our pick for best electric mop overall. When I got my hands on the Bissell SpinWave hard floor spin mop, it was like unlocking a secret cleaning weapon. This mop spins like a DJ at a party, whipping up a 360-degree clean that reaches every nook and cranny, even the mysterious spots where crumbs go to hide. It's Goldilocks approved. Not too delicate, not too hefty, just right. What's more, this magic mop tag teams with 2 reusable microfiber pads and even throws in some detergent for good measure. And when the cleaning dance party gets wild and you need a refill, fear not, the supplies are easy to restock. Operating this powerhouse is a piece of cake. Chuck the solution in its designated spot, hit spin, and let the mopping extravaganza begin. With a no-frills attitude, there's no need for a speed dial. The rotating heads work their magic, saying bye-bye to dirt and grime with finesse. And when it's time for a little spa treatment, these pads are washer-dryer safe, so they'll be back on the cleaning scene in no time. So, if you want your floors to shine brighter than a disco ball and your cleaning routine to be easier than a Sunday morning, the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Spin Mop might just be your cleaning soulmate. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric mops. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric mop you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.